Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the term used for teaching machines to perform human tasks. They are equipped with human-like intelligence and the ability to expand their capabilities as they come across new information. While I know this sounds intimidating, the technology has huge advantages in the world of content creation. AI article writing is a great way to use these developments to create high-quality written content for online publishing. AI writers can help to generate content that is consistent, accurate, and requires fewer resources than if you wrote it manually. Not only does it save time, but it also ensures quality delivery of content. This means businesses can publish their written work quickly with minimal efforts. Instead of spending hours editing, writing, and updating your own work, AI article writing will do it all for you in no time. These systems have been designed to make our lives easier, and this article will show you how they do exactly that as we take a look at the different ways you could use an AI writer. When it comes to AI writers, you'll often have the option to select between long-form and short-form content. Long-form content is mainly focused on blog posts, articles, and press releases. This form of writing is typically between 700 and 2,000 words in length, and provides educational information for the readers without asking for anything in return. Using AI writers for these projects has been linked to enhanced efficiency, improved quality control, and an increase in the quantity of content produced. People have been skeptical as to whether or not AI content ranks on Google and are often surprised to find out that it does. If you make sure to take the necessary precautions to ensure that the facts generated are accurate, and enhance the content with a bit of human input, AI-generated content will help you climb positions on the SERP quicker. Use an AI writer to pinpoint pain agitate solution, summarize text, change the tone of voice, explain to a child, finish the sentence, create listicles, explain like a professor. For full blog posts, we're going to look at Article Forge and their offerings specifically. They offer an impressive feature, the ability to provide full blog posts of 1,500 words, with minimal input from you. All it needs is a topic, a handful of keywords, and a couple of seconds to generate the content. You will then be able to export your blog as a document to be able to easily upload it to whichever platform you choose. There's also the option to receive a full SEO report should you be interested in checking the quality of the content produced, including the readability score and plagiarism check. This can be a huge advantage for small businesses that need to generate high-quality content on a regular basis, especially if time is not on their side. If you would prefer to guide the AI in a certain direction, start off with your introduction, click Write for Me, and see what happens. If you're not satisfied, delete the content and try again. The writer will generate unique content each time. Use an AI writer to generate blog intros, write blog conclusions, suggest bullet point expansions, come up with blog topic ideas, generate blog outlines. Thanks for watching. Consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons as it helps making the channel grow. I've added a couple of links in the description to get you started ASAP with AI and blog writing. See you in the next one.